The cost of Moonriver probably won't have made a buzz in the digital money market, yet it surely essentially has generally procured its situation as the very top number 194 positioning crypto resource by market cap. The Moonriver generally was made by the Moonbeam establishment to subsidize the development, improvement, and reception of the Moonbeam and Moonriver organization and its environment. However, what else is in the Moonriver organization, or so they thought? Is it helpful to put resources into it explicitly? Is there a future? And is the innovation hardy and maintainable in a significant manner? We should find out as we investigate the future value examination of the Moonriver, its local utility token Moonriver MOVR conjecture in an unpretentious manner. Outline of Moonriver. We should begin by getting to know a piece about Moonriver. The Moonriver in a real sense is an Ethereum viable savvy contract parachain that works on the Kusama mainnet. The fundamental thought for the Moonriver network sort of is to work as a brilliant agreement stage fit for giving a one-stop center point to clients to redeploy Ethereum dApps without the requirement for design into the Kusama organization. How can it work, or so they thought? Moonriver is expected to fill in as a savvy contract stage equipped for redeploying the Ethereum dApps with negligible grading. To put it plainly, the Ethereum dApps need not most certainly be reconfigured or modified to work on the Kusama organization, which is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you don't know, Substrate is a structure for making a novel blockchain and applications that can run on the Kusama and Polkadot organizations. To truly do this, Moonriver offers the accompanying administrations to engineers, EVM execution. This takes into account Ethereum-based savvy agreements to relocate to Kusama with negligible exertion, which is genuinely critical. Web3 viable APIs. This permits Ethereum-based devices especially, for example, MetaMask wallet to really work with the Moonriver organization. Spans. This takes into account token exchanges, state perceivability, and message passing with Ethereum and essentially different chains fundamentally like Solana or Bitcoin. The local money of Moonriver is MOVR, and it basically is in every way that really matters, key to keeping up with and working the stage. It tends to be utilized to generally pay exchange expenses, support savvy contract execution, boost collators for producing blocks to help the organization, and generally work with the on-chain administration instrument. Moonriver specialized examination, or so they thought. For this Moonriver specialized investigation, we will utilize RSI, Bollinger Groups, and moving midpoints, the absolute most famous specialized pointers, which is genuinely huge. It hasn't been somewhat since a long time ago the Moonriver was recorded on the trades. The outline beneath shows that the Moonriver cost increment took off on high expectation of the MOVR token being an appealing resource in a significant manner. This made the Moonriver MOVR cost rise quickly, making a high in September 2021, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. At present, there is a declining phase of the Moonriver coin. However, in the event that recuperation especially is noticed, it could increment further for the time being, which is genuinely huge. In the wake of framing the high in September 2021, the Moonriver just a tad, laying out a help level close to $240 cost level. From here, the Moonriver MOVR cost again takes off, attempting to frame another high, making the greatest cost at $495.71, making it the unequaled in every way that really matters, high. It seems to be the MOVR cost generally is attempting to shape a decent base prior to breaking out, which is very huge. The collection, circulation marker shows that there in every practical sense is an interest in the resource since the up-moving aggregation line addresses the posting. The Moonriver cost today is somewhat over the 50-day moving normal. The above diagram shows that the unpredictability in a real sense was high in September 2021. On October 11, 2021, the instability was scarcely the most reduced since the posting of Moonriver, and the exchanging volume began to fall beneath the normal exchanging volume, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the last part of October 2021, the Moonriver MOVR cost started to flood again on high volume, expanding the unpredictability once more and making an overbought condition on the RSI marker, or so they thought. The RSI is set at 49.31. The in every way that really matters. Current cost levels especially are very, all things considered, stable with kind of low unpredictability as opposed to prevalent thinking. It seems to be the Moonriver token basically is attempting to frame a strong solidification base prior to breaking out according to the Moonriver MOVR cost expectation. It truly is generally sort of liable to occur on high volume, sending the MOVR cost up in a sort of single day for enormous benefit on the off chance that this occurs, which is very huge. Moonriver Value Expectation 2023. The information expectations models in light of the verifiable information show that the cost of Moonriver MOVR is gauged to arrive at any rate expected cost of $89.84, with a very greatest cost of $108.66 in the year 2023. The kind of typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to be close to the $99 cost level according to our MOVR cost expectation in an unobtrusive manner. Moonriver Value Forecast 2024. In opposition to prevalent thinking. According to the information and Moonriver cost estimate models, the genuinely least level of the Moonriver coin expectation will sort of be $82.71. The especially most extreme cost will really be $126.42, with a typical exchanging cost of around $106.57 all through 2024. Moonriver Value Expectation 2025. As per the specialized examination for the year 2025, the base MOVR coin value expectation will be $117.27, and the most extreme value level will be $150.03 in an unobtrusive manner. The anticipated MOVR proposes that the very normal cost will be $127.19 in 2025 according to our Moonriver crypto forecast. Moonriver Value Forecast 2026. A slight revision could especially be found in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. The cost expectations models show that the extremely least cost of Moonriver conjecture really is supposed to be $109.75, which in every practical sense is very critical. The greatest cost will truly be $134.13, heaping a typical cost of $122.48 in the year 2026 in view of the Moonriver MOVR cost expectation. How especially numerous MOVR tokens are available for use, which is genuinely huge. Moonriver cost really equivalent to $67.61 starting today. The market cap of Moonriver sort of stands at $252,519,458.42, with a completely weakened and immense market cap of more than $676,978,987.99, which is genuinely critical. The maximum inventory basically is covered at 10 million MOVR tokens, and the circling supply is 3,730,093 MOVR tokens, in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Moonriver a wise venture? The crypto expectations of MOVR truly propose that it very well may be an important resource that can create extraordinary returns. So basically hang on and don't basically sell Moonriver. All things considered, it in every way that really matters is great to generally have an essential comprehension of the organization and the worth it can give to make a determined bet. Since the crypto space in every practical sense is packed, it is as yet muddled whether it can truly be a significant individual from the environment that could give certainly great to it. All things considered, it's anything but a terrible venture by the same token. With simply specialized examination, it generally seems as though MOVR has a decent long-haul procuring potential. Indeed, even in the genuinely present moment, the portfolio can profit from a decent profit from Moonriver in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Moonriver protected in spite of mainstream thinking? The innovation of digital currencies is generally okay for ventures as a result of the blockchain and